Right. Said, though, I'm looking forward to your highlight video already.
Oh mate, it's gonna be awesome. Loving it. Yeah, you brave. Left arm, he hasn't got.
Hey!
Mate, yeah. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, that's low. 3, 2, 1, run! There, we're done. Big gaddy one.
Let's just all go in!
Go! All of us! Let's go! 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 Hey.
Where are we going?
I've got an idea. Hold on.
Hold on!
Shit!
Got
it!
Yeah, they're right down the middle, right down the middle.
Let's do that. Am I seriously doing this? Right, don't hold this. You ready? I'm ready. The quick comes then. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Right. Oh, I got one more time. I'll be able to get him. Ready? 2. Wait, hold on.
1.
Someone support my back. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yeah! We got him! Fucking sick! Where'd it go? Go! No fucking way!
You knew that was coming.
Who threw it?
Where'd it go? Straight over there. Seriously? Right over.
Yeah. Oh, Nave. One's down, one's down! Run. Go, 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 go. Yeah, go on, lead the way, we'll run with you. Let's go.
I was not expecting that.
I rate that. Oh, there it is.
I made sure to rock it.
Yeah.
I knew you boys are going to be here.
Sick. Right.
Did you get through that space down there? Anyone call through that?
Oh, yeah, mate, I got it. Right, you ready, lads? Belly's up.
You've got a dolphin dive onto it.
Oh, I fucking oh, fuck it! It's brambles! Dan, come backwards! Helmet's caught on a branch!
You're not back out.
Oh, my fucking back.
Sorry, been hot.
It's alright. That was not worth it. Well done, mate. Go on, go for it, go for it. Yeah, watch the forward above you. I'll just pick them back up. Go on. Oh, mate, that's better right there. Easy, made it look like work. Well, that's embarrassing, isn't it? Oh, hit! No. What a shot. Woo. Have I just been nailed by my own team? Hey! Who nailed me in the face? Who hit me in the face?
Did I hit in the head?
Me.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Sorry.
So are we going out and round?
got two!
No! Nice one! Dead man! Yo, dude. Nice one, dude. You got three of us to come out of nowhere. Just see you. All I see these swords coming at us. That was awesome. Nice one. Yeah, I got it.
There you go. Oh. It's right in the sludgy bit at the bottom.
Is that actually?
Yeah.
Are you missing an AFD9 mag?
Yes.
On the table in that.
Oh, mate, thank you so much. What table? Whereabouts? I want to hunt.
Right, how many of us you've got to go in numbers?
Down, push!
Push! All walk to the back of the car! Go!
Should be down, that's it. Right, he's out the bush, let's go! Back of the bar! Charge! Woo! I don't know, but my gun's... Ah! Whoa, what the... Jesus!
You need the ball to be alone!
Come out of nowhere! Oh, scared the life out of me, man. I thought I was fighting a kaiju then. Let's push! Yellows! Woo! 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 I'm hit! Cool. Oh my god, mate, I got him. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, that works. That works. Hey! Go on! Swampy! Got two. Yeah, all right. Oh yeah, go on, give us a skip. Yeah, there it is. Oh shit! There's a BB in here. Just put some fire down the end. 3, 2, 1, go. Got the guy on the door now, keep pushing. What? Hey! Oh! Fuck! Hey! Oh my god, shit. That hurt. Hey! Hey! Dead man! I'm hit! Sorry.
Are you hit?
Fuck, yeah, I'm hit. Nah, I'm good. Just take it over that. Fuck, nice shot, man. Huh? Right in the nose, I'm good. How bad is it?
Is it right?
Yeah, you're fine, mate, you're fine.
We had a guy with a pistol just fucking run around the corner and
That
blast.
could not be any more perfectly on the end of your
Is it?
Have a look.
Right on the centre.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
No.
Yeah, well done! I don't know.
Not this way, not this way.
Let me throw it, I'll throw it straight from here.
Work your way down.
No, please.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't move it. Yeah, well done. Well played there, mate. Enjoying it for the first time?
Oh mate, it's fucking brilliant.
Oh, first time?
Yeah.
Right, yellow team! Your time was
44 minutes and 7 seconds. Red team, your time was 44 minutes and 6 seconds. That was incredibly close. Well done, Red team. Edged it in right there.